Hi, I'm Chris. Shelley and Grizz will be right here. Today, keeping with our recent theme of great things to do in our own backyard, we're going to do something in Apache Junction. But first, it's moving day again. Not something big, just a few miles to another Encore park for a week. Then back to our regular park in this area. So, break it all down, hook it back up, drive the few miles to the new park, and provide the entertainment to the occupants as we back into our spot for the week. It's all a part of the RV life. That hitch is kind of mesmerizing as it articulates. After getting set up, Shelley, Grizz, and I head into AJ, that's local speak for Apache Junction, to a place neither of us have been to before. And that is the Goldfield Ghost Town. Sitting at the base of the Superstition Mountains, off of Highway 88, this is a very touristy but fun place to visit, offering tours, rides, food, shows, and all kinds of small shops. We actually are having a pretty good time. To get a quick overview, we purchased the 3-pack tour package and started with the train ride, a narrow gauge which circles the town. This park was built over the remains of one of the largest gold strikes in the area until the miners tapped into an aquifer and filled the mine with water.
Welcome to the train, everybody. Cousin Jack is my name. Driving the train is my game.
These folks are the Superstition Mountains, and it seems like every year someone meets their demise thinking that they can find the Lost Dutchman's mine in that rugged wilderness.
He was looking for cities of gold. Some of his scouts never returned a steakhouse to the moon. They cook on mesquite. Great place to get a steak. He pumped out the water. He saw quartz. He saw gold. But he also saw all them cars coming and going on Arizona's first historic highway. And one very, very hot day, he decided it would be a lot smarter to build that ice cream parlor. So he done that. Then spent 2 years building the mine tour. Then put a train around this town. Started inviting all you folks off that road. Come, take a tour. We've been giving tours now for over 30 years, folks. I hope you find mine to be educational and entertaining. Oh, and tippable, too. I got a tip bucket back in the station.
Not too bad. Really interesting place. A lot of things going on. A lot of people here. It's been a lot of fun.
Drumming on the old banjo. My favorite train song.
Sitting here at the Miner's Grill at Goldfield. Shelley just went inside to get herself something to eat, like ice cream. Me, I ordered the burger. We'll see how it does. Should be out in a minute. Here she comes now. The next tour we take is a short hop into the Goldfield Mine. What a difficult life these folks had working in this place, but supposedly not one miner was lost. Very impressive. In Goldfield. It's the old ghost town in Apache Junction. Been quite interesting. We've done a train ride, We've toured a mine, and now we're just walking down Main Street. Give you an idea, let me switch. See if I can figure out how to do this.
He loves everybody. He wants to play with everybody, pet everybody.
My mom's got a dog.
We got here a little late in the day and decided not to take the third tour so that we could get a better look at the town itself and maybe grab a bite or two to eat. And there was always shopping. So every time she gets to go into a store, guess who I get to watch? My favorite best friend. More about this in a future video. Grizz meets a new friend and tries to figure out just what this massive critter is. It almost sucked him into its nostril. Pretty doggone good. So are the fries. They're Grizz approved. A day out isn't quite done till someone has a chance to do some shopping. So when we left Goldfield, a detour to the Scottsdale waterfront shops was in order. Grizz and I waited outside at the truck while Mom went inside. Besides, he loves all the attention he gets from passers-by. See you all next week. See what's in store then. Travel safe.